Hi, my name is Per Poulsen and I'm a senior sales engineer here at Struct PIM. In this feature video, I'm very excited to show you something brand new, a feature that we believe will fundamentally transform the way you work with product data inside of Struct PIM. So let me introduce you to our updated search result page. Until now, the search result page in Struct PIM has been primarily used to display search results. From there, users could navigate to individual products to enrich them or use our various bulk editing tools. With the update, we've completely redesigned the search result page and added powerful new functionality that lets you work with product data faster and more efficiently than ever before. First, you'll notice that the search result page looks a little bit different. It's more compact, which means you can see more data on your screen at once. We've also added a fit columns to screen function. With this enabled, the system automatically adjusts column widths as you add columns, keeping everything visible and in perspective. And just like before, you can easily add new columns. So let me show you. I'll add a long description column. I'll also add package size information, both the overall size and the individual dimensions. Once I update these, they're immediately available in the grid. With fit columns to screen enabled, the system tries to fit everything into view. But if you need more space to see your data clearly, you can simply disable it and manually resize the columns. You'll notice the scroll bar appears, letting you scroll left and right to see all of your fields. This means you can now add far more fields to your search results than was previously possible. As I scroll through the columns, notice that the primary image and product name stay frozen at the left. These columns are pinned to the screen. You can pin columns in two ways. Right-click on a column header and select Pin, or use the column settings menu to pin or unpin columns as needed. Once pinned, no matter how many columns you add or how far you scroll, these key columns always remain visible. This way, you're always confident you're looking at the correct product because you can always see the image, name, or item number. This makes for a much more flexible search result page where you can view significantly more data than before. But here's where it gets really powerful. We've introduced inline grid editing. This means you can edit product data directly from the search result page. There's no need to open the individual product pages. Now, let's say you want to change some data. You can still click on a product to open it in detail view. Or if you want to keep the search result visible, you can control-click to open the product in a new tab. But more importantly, you can enable inline edit mode right here in the grid. Let me show you. I want to update the brand for some of these products. I'll simply double-click on the brand field and add new brands. Let's say Bosch and Siemens. Then I click to confirm, or I can also press Ctrl-Enter. Now, let's say I want to copy that brand data to other products. I can press Ctrl-C to copy, select the target fields, and press Ctrl-V to paste. I can also simply drag the data across to copy it. Now, here's something important. The grid edit maintains the integrity of your data models. Notice that when I tried to copy the brand to these jeans, nothing happened. That's because in the jeans data model, the brand field is read-only. The system won't allow me to add data there. The same applies to these other products. The data models simply don't have a brand field available, so of course you can't add data there either. Grid Edit also handles complex attributes intelligently. Take for example this HTML field. In the list we can only see part of it, but when we hover we can see the encoded content with formatting clearly displayed. And we can double-click to edit it. The package size field consists of width, size, and height dimensions. When I change the width in one field, the system recognizes that this field is now out of sync with the other packet size field. Even though you can view different dimensions separately, the system maintains data integrity so you don't accidentally enter conflicting information. Once you've made your changes to your products, you can save them with the confidence that the data model is being respected. I've now made some changes across a number of products. I can see these changes haven't been saved yet. I can either discard them or I can save them to the products. But we haven't stopped at the search result page. We've also enabled grid edit in other areas of the system. If you go to a product with variations like this t-shirt, you can edit all the variants directly on the variation page without opening each one individually. We've also added grid edit to global lists. For example, on the color list, you can edit color data directly from the page. And we're planning to add this feature in more places to further increase the speed and efficiency when working in Struct PIM. So that's our updated search result page with grid edit. We are very excited to release this feature today, and we believe it will greatly improve efficiency and transform the way you work with product data. Many of the daily operations you perform can now be done directly from the search result page with far fewer clicks and without navigating to individual products. Of course, all the bulk editing tools you know and love are still there, unchanged and ready to use. We have many more exciting features on the roadmap, and we look forward to showing you these in the months ahead. So thank you for watching and have a great day.